Hey guys, this is Jeff Jones, and I'm from theboxman.com, where we change the way you should watch TV. And every now and then I come across some great YouTubers, those that follow our channel or my channel. And I have a habit of over talking or talking a long time because usually on the videos that we do or I do, they're more instructional videos. But I'm going to I have a method to my madness. So here's Ando 10110 said, "Bro, you talked for 10 minutes and you did not tell anything useful. Like, can you please explain how to set up the whole settings? The things you said a 3-year-old child can figure out. I thought you were going to explain how to set up the device so that you will never have buffering issues. All you did was talk for 10 minutes about nothing." So, to all the 3-year-olds, I'm going to pull up the video really fast in a moment. And it talks about the buffering gauge on the Z11 Pro Max and the buffering bar. And if you know these devices, they're very, very powerful. They're very smart. And
Most people
if
have
you're talking to me about buffering and you said a 3-year-old can probably understand or do a better job, then why are you having trouble with buffering? That's my question, because I don't buffer when I stream. I absolutely don't. And I use a VPN where I only have 14 megabits per second. That per second. Not 50, not 500, 14, 1 4. And I don't buffer. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to show him and get really quick for Ando there on the 4 things you need to do to eliminate buffering. Stay tuned to the next part of the video. Peace. All right, my name is Jeff, and I'm back for the second part of the video where I had Ando 10110, one of our, I don't know if he's a subscriber, kind of said that I don't have the intelligence of a 3-year-old, but he was saying that he wanted me to help him eliminate buffering, that I spent too much time talking to eliminate buffering. So I'm going to jump right into it, what I consider the 4 things right now that a person can do to eliminate buffering. So let's do it for good old Ando. All right, so here we go. All right, number 1, run a speed test to the box. Run a speed test to the device you are using. Utilities like this speed test, it doesn't matter if you're using it on your phone. It doesn't matter if you're using it on your friend's phone. It doesn't even matter if Spectrum or whoever you're getting your internet from says you have 110. If you don't know the speed from your network in your house through the box, you are missing out and probably going to be buffering your entire experience with that device. So there's plenty of speed tests. I use Analytics. I'm going to go ahead and click on it really quick, and it's going to go ahead and ping. And I am using a Verizon router or whatnot. I'm hoping that it shows something here. Maybe it's not, and it is. So I am using a router right now, and it looks like I have 64 download speed. Now, 64 download speed for me is excellent, okay? Or I should say maybe that is up, that's download, upload. I don't know why the upload is more than the download, but either way, 61 megabits per second and 102 megabits upload. Bottom line, it even shows what I can watch. Okay, so when you have a tool like this, it's really important that you use a tool like this so you know what your speed is. If you don't know what your speed is from your internet router to through the box, you're wasting your time and you're going to buffer. So number 1, run a speed test against the device that you have. All right. Number 2, decide if you're going to use Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Decide if you're going to run it Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Let me explain. If you run it Wi-Fi and you're less than 30 megabits per second, you have 2 choices. Number 1, call your internet service provider and have them upgrade you to the next level. Very important that if you're running Wi-Fi, which the majority of people do, you're going to find out that you're going to lose a little bit of speed by running wirelessly. Okay, so if you don't have the ability to run a direct Ethernet cable from your router to your device, I would suggest you up your internet speed. Okay, go to the next package, find out what it is. While you find out what that is, ask if you have an internet streaming package, not just a regular internet package, because there is a difference. Number two in this, the second point I'm going to make within this point is, if you're able to run Ethernet, do it. Because if you can get in a position where you're able to run a direct connection from your router / modem to the back of the unit, you will optimize your speed and cut down on buffering. So that's number two. Number three for Ando 10110 in the house, you need to eliminate background apps. If you have a bunch of background applications running in the background, you are going to miss out on a lot. Lucky for the formula, if I tap the home button twice, it will show you what is running in the background right now. As you can see, I have a lot of different applications running in the background here. This, if I leave running, they will affect your internet streaming experience. You have to be able to get rid of them, and I can do this by pressing the red button. Now all my background apps are gone, Ando, and if they're gone, Ando, you should be able, all right, as I'm a 3-year-old, I should be able to help you articulate that, you can eliminate buffering. So you need to get rid of all, if you can, as many Android apps running in the background. And number 4, last but not least, the fourth thing that you can do to eliminate buffering forever is to become a Boxman customer. Yeah, I said it. I'm going to say this. There's going to be some disagreements. I don't care, really, when I say this. I am one of the best YouTubers and instructors on streaming in the business, okay? And I say that because I have used every single device under the sun. I geek out on this because I've spent so much money paying DirecTV and other people when streaming has been legal for so many years. So the things, I should say, the services, the units that we resell, the media devices, everything we resell, we use. And because we use it, we know exclusively the ins and outs of it. Now, when it comes to buffering, I know this in the last 11 years. 99.9% of your issues, or anyone's issues, Ando 10110, all the issues come from your private network, not mine. So that's why I, on my network, can run 14 megabits download speed on one of my best devices and never buffer. Here I'm running 60 and I'm not buffering. So if you don't control what you can control, which is your network, you're never going to have an end to buffering. Now, am I always or stuttering or buffering a lot? No, but buffering's not a bad thing either, Ando. And the reason it's not is because that's in another video if you happen to go through our page. With that said, if you're a Boxman customer, what I'm saying is we will give you everything that we know, and the majority of our customers don't buffer. They don't, especially if they listen and take the advice that we all have. We have up to 22 years combined experience in streaming. So we kind of know what we're doing. So those are the 4 things, Ando. I'm under 9 minutes. That's okay. God bless you, man. I wish you the best. Hey, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully I didn't, hurt Ando's feelings or whatever it might be. I don't think I did, because he didn't care about my feelings when he made that crazy statement. At any rate, if you want to learn more tips and tricks about formula devices or any other streaming devices, I am the Boxman. I am from theboxman.com. We also have a website called thestreammachines.com, and we would love to work with you. With that said, have a great weekend. Happy Labor Day, and have a good night. Bye-bye.